Welcome to School of Engineering. We are delighted to have you join our vibrant community of innovators, creators, and future leaders at the School of Engineering. We are committed to fostering academic excellence, cutting-edge research, and hands-on learning experiences that prepare our students to solve real-world challenges. Meet the visionary behind SOE, our Dean, Dr. Prashant Kumparkar, who leads the school with academic excellence and industry insight. Our dedicated faculty at the School of Engineering blend extensive industry experience with strong academic expertise to inspire and mentor the next generation of engineering leaders. Their commitment to excellence ensures our students receive a well-rounded, future-focused education that bridges theory with real-world application. Smart classrooms designed for interactive learning help our students sharpen both theory and practical understanding. We have state-of-the-art computer labs featuring high-speed internet with latest software, offer a hands-on environment for programming, simulations, and data analysis enhancing practical skills for technical knowledge. We have dedicated showcase area for student innovations, prototypes, and research-based projects. This zone reflects the creativity, ingenuity, and technical excellence nurtured within the school. Our students has completed the remarkable projects which reflect their innovation and vision. Join the School of Engineering at ADYPU, where your journey of innovation and discovery begins.